Today, of course, we got our boy Chandler. Look at the wife doing work right now. Oh, what's up, dude? Damn. Alright, don't forget you don't got no e-brake, bud. Alright, I gotta get this thing undone before they send it to the truck.
Yeah, I got the green one too. That's Dave.
Alright guys, it is tech time. Let's go get in that long tech line over there. Alright, we are in the tech line and we got a really annoying seatbelt chime going on right now. But now we'll just play the good old waiting game and then we'll get all teched in. Well boys, made it through tech, no problems. It says they're gonna start at 10, it's 9:30 right now. So we got a little bit of time here. I think the car is going to hit the limiter a bit on this pass, so I'm going to drop the limiter down to 7,600. I had it up at 78, which is pretty high for the stock valve train, so I'm going to drop it down just a little bit. There's no matter what, we're going to be hitting 5th gear, so that's just the point of it in life. Is that JR? He actually came out? Dude! Fucker, he told me he wasn't coming out. Oh! Are you still sick?
I told you I'd come.
Yeah. Get! I'm out. Let me out of this.
What's up, dude?
You're running, Meg?
Bud?
Huh?
Don't break it.
I'm not. I'm actually turning down right now. I'm turning the limiter down, okay? She's a bit spicy right now. And I had a talk with myself in my sleep that I probably should bump my limiter from 7,800 down to probably 76 because we're playing fire as it is. So that's what I'm doing right now. As soon as I find the map.
What's your game plan?
Game plan. Hopefully one and done, and then the wife can race the rest of the day. But you know how that usually goes. Usually we get 2 passes, then the wife races. So if the car just works, goes A to B, I hope we just get our one and done, grab all the gears, go fast, break the record maybe, and then from there you get to race it. Cross your fingers for us.
Hopefully.
That's how it goes. Cross your fingers for the wife. Other than that, we're good to go. I'm just changing this limiter is the only thing, and then Alright guys, I don't know where the GoPros are. The wife and Josh have been up there watching races, so I'm going to give you guys a little update right now. As you can tell, I'm freaking dying. The car on the last pass did leave, thank goodness. It went 10.5 at 119, and it definitely laid over after the 8th, but the best thing is that we went 3 mile an hour faster to the 8th mile. We went 105 at the 8th, so, and we went 102 at the FP green. So we're on the right track. 148 60 foot. I'll take it no matter what. At least we're getting this thing to leave. But 10.5, 119, I'll take it, guys. Here's a look at the slip. There we go, guys. There's the slip. 10.5 flat, 119 mile an hour. Obviously, there's a lot more in it, but the hope that I have is that we can go 30 on the back half from that 105 back here. So we'll be trapping 135 is what I'm hoping. It's freaking hot out here, guys. It's like 85 degrees, so I'm feeling really bad for the car. Intake temps did really good, guys. That ETS 5-inch core did some work. This ain't only saw 87 degree intake temps at the end, even being lean with me running it low on gas. That's why it laid over in the back half there. I had it too low on gas, trying to keep it down, and that was my own fault. So we're back in line now. It's probably gonna be a good minute here, and then hopefully we can get a good A to B pass here, guys, and I can't wait. I'm excited. It's just really hard to get this thing to leave. I didn't think that the FP0 was gonna be this hard to get to leave, and I'm having to lean on it pretty good, guys. I mean, launch control is really up there. I put one of my custom anti-leg maps on it, and it's doing work. It's coming out. She's pretty rowdy, so hopefully this will get our pass. Fingers crossed, guys. Either way, we're having fun. We already went a 10.5 flat, so we went faster with a lower mile an hour, so happy no matter what.
Hey dude, tell you he's got some tacos.
Well, we went faster, but your boy had it too low on gas. So it was like, you know, 14, 15 air fuel up the top. So it laid over after the 8th. So I filled it with gas, and we'll see what happens this time. Damn it. What do you think? It went 10.5, 0,
Best time.
119 mile an hour. If we would have got our 30 in the back half, that would have been a 135 trap right there. So I'm hoping we can put 40 in the back half. That's my goal today. If I can get like 35 to 40 mile an hour in the back half, 40 on that, that's 145 mile an hour. I don't think it's gonna go that fast. We'll try. What are you recording over there?
It's up to you.
Come on, Aaron. Go, Aaron.
had my limiter set at 8,500, so I hit it like 3 times. But I didn't miss a gear, so that's cool.
Still in flip-flops.
Yep.
Terrible.
Good shorts. Get the sandals. Need more fuel up there. 70s, but it's sweet.
Did you blow my car up?
No, I didn't. I just got fucking locked out. Can you believe this shit?
Shift Jimmy over here.
This car's a pile.
Who are you learning from?
You. Josh, where you at? That's where I'm learning from.
Yeah, we're the stick best, man. Mischief Jimmy sticker.
Yeah. So I'm going to put that on the t-shirt. Mischief Jimmy. Yeah.
So what happened to this whole one pass, and I'm going to give it to you.
Well, you see, bud, I haven't beat my record, so you're a little SOL.
Yeah, huh? The last one.
Well, we're going again.
15-0 was what you did last time.
15-0.
Or no, 10-5. Okay.
I went 10-5 and then we went 10-6.
15-0, damn, baby.
No, I damn.
Slower than a South STI?
Yeah, slower than one. 68 at 47. We need to add more fuel. Alright guys, we're back in the staging lanes. Can't believe I missed third. I can. This trans is a pile. But I'm going to sit on a old flat foot a little bit more. And hopefully we can catch third gear here. We also did a little Honda Boy mod, put the intake out the headlight. We're maxed out on our boost controller right now. Should have put a 4-port or a bigger screen in it. I'm really kind of beating myself up right now about that, but if we can get our short track down, the car should go faster than what we did before, and it did 10.5 at 119 earlier, so we already know we're there. I just need to get the short track down. So it's pretty freaking hot out here. It's like 85 degrees. I'm dying. Wife's dying.
Wife doesn't get a run.
Wife doesn't get to run because we're trying to get run time.
Needy.
We just need to buy another one.
Okay. This is the other one.
Another one?
No.
Then I'll make that one like this too.
Everyone thinks this is VA.
Yeah.
The announcers.
Got this thing for a solid month.
Is it new?
Yeah. New to us.
Somebody?
What's that?
You buy it off somebody?
Off of the dealer.
With
Right.
the turbo and everything?
No.
You got this? Yeah.
Yeah.
Show Josh up.
Yeah, right? See.
Josh is right behind you.
Damn, third gear. expensive part, and this is what I tell every customer, is building the car. Building the car from day one is the most expensive part, and then after that, keeping it together is that.
Bud, what is this hot boy ship?
You know what? I'm at heart a Honda kid, so I put the intake out the goddamn headlight. That's what it is. We did it though.
Did you make it go faster?
It did. It gave me 2 more pounds of boost. I did play up the hertz on the wastegate, so that might have been some of it too. But in the end, I got 2.5 pounds more boost, so that was 37 pounds, and I just don't have any more wastegate. So I'm pretty let down. I need more wastegate.
She's a daily.
Yeah.
Now you can do it with your outreach.
What? What? Maybe is they only have, I gotta review this here. Why do I only have 7 degrees timing? Some neighbor. Hopefully, fingers crossed for Aaron. I just want to give him a 9-second pass. And he's like, yep, we're good. Yeah, let's do it. Let's hope so. So I revised the entire map on the car. Hopefully things go well. Hopefully we get another pass in here. But hopefully it goes good for Aaron. I want to see this car go fast.
Do it for Dale. I mean, Aaron.
Yeah. Do it for Dale. Or the old guy. So hopefully we'll see what happens where we go.
I was on a low 9.
Wow. I think it was on a mission. Short track, everything was there to go a very, very low 9. I was staying in it no matter what. I didn't care. Is that the same as where it was? Yeah. Yep. It was low yesterday when it was sitting. I built it up to the full wide, but as soon as I started it, it jumped up right there. I was like, I didn't try to go to park that hard because the car was so butter and I didn't pull hard enough. I was so mad. 58 pounds. I'm trying to get you that fucking 8 right now. What was your 16.5? I was babying it out. Yeah, I saw. You were already kind of moving too, so you probably took those beats a little bit.
At this level, on these tires, I think I'm 1.5.
That's really where you want to shut it off.
I don't think I'm that one.
He's so mad, you know.
How mad are
See
you?
how hard I shifted this thing?
Gosh, what?
What? The trans is hurt or the clutch is hurt?
You sent it.
I sent it, but the clutch or the transmission's hurt in the car. That's how hard I was shifting it.
That happened to me on mine.
Yeah.
Bank the center console.
The transmission or the clutch is hurt. Get in and shift it to third. So even right now it won't go in? No, if you press the clutch in, but feel it. Go from like second to third. Let's see if he's making excuses for being mid-shift Jimmy. No, go back over to see. 2 to 3. Yeah. Stop. That's why it wouldn't come back. That's the shift foot? Yep. Okay. You can try some good fluid, but see how it frees up and then flies.
Brake hurts.
starting line. I was a little sad. I turned the heater on, dropped it to 203, and I was like, here we go. And then no. I went to tip in just to see if it would go in the fourth, and it's the same thing. I fucking cut the shit out of my shoulder. I don't know what I hit, but dude, I was grabbing it. I don't know if it was like me grabbing myself or what, but I fucking pulled it as hard as I could. I was trying to give you that 8. I know. Or even a 9. It was there. Dude, it was there.
Your first run, that was there.
Yeah. What did it hit there? 50. Yeah. I gotta look at the data log, and now I got the data because I can see where it's going and how much of that wastegate duty it's using. Yeah. So now I can dial the car back if you want me to. It has an 8-second map on it right now. It has plenty of power.
Yeah, it is.
Well, guys, there's a track day. I'm dying. I cannot wait to be in my AC seat, just chilling. I need like some water because I'm dying. That's how bad I'm dying.
Oh my god.
I feel bad for sweat, dude.
Want me to pour you a drink?
Come on, man.
We're gonna drink, man. Come to drink.
Fucking, it's time. I'm sorry, buddy. I tried to give it up my all for you.
You did good.
At least you got to see what it does with a 1, 2, 3. That shit's fast.
Money. Fast.
So it's there. I'm excited for you. Motor.
Yeah,
Look at that.
good.
She's still ripping.
Hit limiter like 60 times.
That's a 9300 limiter on this engine too. So you guys want stage X, he can give you his experience with it.
Yep.
All of us.
Time to go to Texas.
ORA is trying to keep up with VA bait right now. She's catching her slowly. Before you know it, it's going to be the real VA bait.
It's my car, leave it alone.
86 mil stock motor.
Stop.
For those of you guys that doubt stock motors, today we've been launching this bitch at 8K all day, so.
And how she's still alive.
I don't know how it's still running. I tried to blow it up. It won't blow up. Wastegate duty's at 95%. It's out the front. Yeah. Boost target's up.
let me show you.
If we had more boost, we could probably blow it up, but I don't got any more boost to give it. Timing's all there. It's got built motor timing in that thing. Oh well. But everybody have fun.
Awesome.
Good job,
Alex, you got your first pass?
Yeah.
Alex?
Sort of.
Kinda, sorta. He's got a lot more issues to sort out, unfortunately. And a battery tie down to get back.
Oh yeah.
Your turn next.
Yeah, your turn next, bud.
Yeah, Jen. Yeah, you next.
Thank you for that. Let me get that down, but thank you for letting me drive it.
Yep, for
I
sure.
appreciate it. I was trying to be as nice as I could to her. That one I came out a little too hard. That's what it was. It wouldn't have done anything anyways. It would have been the same on the transmission.
Right.
It just
was already there.
It was already
It's
hurt.
slowly been doing that.
Yeah, where it's getting harder and
Yep.
harder. So either the fork is hurt on it, or the clutch isn't engaging enough that it's letting it go in gear, which I find hard to do it with the car off. And I'll tell you right away. If it still feels the same way, then it's transmission. Yeah.
Training.
It's transmission.
Is it stock?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stock trans, huh? We just need to do a little refresh on our forks. Who knows what beating? He said this thing's been modified well before he bought it.
Oh yeah.
Alex!
I've seen videos of it launching hard.
Yeah.
So.
Oh well.
Oh, you bought it?
Till next time. I know I sucked at recording today, guys. It's been a hot, frustrating, limited time day.
3071.
So I've been trying to make progress on several of these, and I really wanted to see this thing go A to B. We almost went A to B in it. At least you can see what it can do, and there's a monster there.
Yeah.
I was happy because I was trying to see what the tune would do too, because nothing against like how Aaron drives. Aaron is learning a car at a very high power level. I probably should back it down more to give it to him, but he's been experiencing it really well. But the trans is the main thing that's fighting. I think if it was a good trans, Aaron's a damn good driver, so I don't see why it would have any issues. Me, you can see I'm cut up. I was shifting this thing pretty fucking hard, so that's the only reason why I got it in gear.
Let me see it.
I don't even know
How did you even manage that?
I don't really know what I hit or what. I think I could have went forward into something. I don't know.
He's like, I was being really nice to it,
Because
but
I
fucked
did
himself up.
second to third, so that makes sense. I probably punched the dash. I don't know.
Yeah, you were being real nice to her.
I was. I was being real nice to her out of the hole. I only got a 1.5. He gets 1.4s left and right. Me, I'm like riding it. I'm like, please don't break the output on the line for him.
Okay, bye, Mr. Jimmy.
All right. Wow. See you later, nerds.
What are you doing there, bud?
Oh, we were trying to make him like
Because there was run knocking.
Yeah, he didn't believe it.
He's too smart for
I
that.
know.
Babe, I heard rod knock.
Get the fuck out of here.
Was it run knock now?
I heard it.
I don't have no rod knock. Knock is my crew. That ain't far enough forward, you rookie.
Last time you wanted it further back.
I was like handing off the back.
You don't want that forward.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you limits, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to